sorry. If you're only going to find a place to stay midpoint,
I think I can probably just eat it and like don't eat anything for the entire day. A lot of food.
It's 12 p.m. Of September 27, and yeah, this is the hotel we stayed in Altai, no, Altai town, and we are leaving from here now. I didn't have much success in finding my passport, and I reached out to the Indian embassy. My local MP had helped me reach the Indian embassy yesterday, and then today I called them. Well, yeah, they showed a lot of concern that they were like afraid that, well, I should come to them ASAP. And but when I asked them that if they can issue me a document that I can show it to the police on the way if they stop me because they don't have a passport, they said they can't help much. So yeah, they try to politically correctly help me as much as they can. Uh, Overall, yeah, it was an okay experience. It was more of a reassurance saying that, oh, we are your guardian, we are here to help you. But as such, practically, I think, yeah, they just want to help under the bounds that they have and not go out of the way, is the feeling I got. Yeah, it's okay. Life moves on. So we are heading to a town between Altai city and Bayan Khongor, and we'll be staying there today. And then tomorrow, I think we will proceed to Bayan Khongor, and I think it will take us 3 to 4 days to reach Ulaanbaatar, and that's where I will probably get a replacement document for my passport, and then I'll head out to India. So the time right now is 1:25. I have covered around 60-65 kilometers and stopped to basically let Edwin catch up. The temperature right now would be around 5 degrees. That was the temperature when we left the hotel. And Yeah, I mean, riding is okay. I mean, the hands do feel the freeze, and the legs and the feet as well at this temperature. But it's manageable, it's bearable, it's not bad. Also, it's cloudy today, so it's both good and bad for riding. Like, you don't get the warmth of the sun, but I think the cloud ensures that the heat does not go off, and then it kind of keeps things warm, so it's good. I have stopped at this place. There are these camels on the right side. I was hoping if they come closer I can take a better picture, but well, I think they are shy or afraid of humans. We are doing around 205 kilometers, so I think we should ideally take like 2 breaks before we reach our destination. Stopped here at one of the cafeteria. Well, on the map there are two ways. One goes there, and the other one goes this side. And on the map, this road, which is basically a gravel road, is actually shown as a main road.
while this one is shown as a smaller road. And we were very surprised that the smaller road is actually paved and nice, and it's actually the main road. So we saw a settlement and we stopped. There were some trucks parked, so that was an indication that there is something which is functioning. So we came in and it's written Gazap, which is Gazar, which is basically means restaurant, and it's basically inside this yurt. Or they actually, yurt is a Russian word apparently. In Mongolia they call it ger, G-E-R. And yeah, this is how it looks. Oh. Okay, we had the food at the cafe. The food was actually very tasty. We had lamb noodle 1x2 and some tea which was actually a salted tea, but there was no milk. So in Mongolia they drink milk tea with salt. I think that's what a lot of other colder countries. I remember going to Ladakh and having the butter tea. Ladakh, or I think it was Kashmir. So yeah, they had a similar tea, and although I think we got a bit of a ripped off, because I think for one noodle and for 2 tea they charged us like 30k Turkic Mannat, which I think is a lot more money, but well, I think we should have asked the price beforehand. Now continue towards the place we are going. The city name is Buutasagaan, I think, and it's around 50 to 70 more kilometers. So overall distance from Altai to Buutasagaan is 200 kilometers. Forgot to mention that the microphone that I had bought in Russia, in Yalutorovsk, is actually, it has gone kaput. So I think there was a jerk, and I think some wire got stretched, and I think it has stopped working. It was a wired mic. It was a good mic, but it totally stopped working. So no more mic and no more talking while riding. I have reached the city named Buutasagaan, and there's a city toilet. Interesting. I have heard from some of the other travelers that in Mongolia, apparently the houses in the city, small towns and villages, they will not have a bathhouse or a bathroom, and there will be a public or a city bathroom to which people go and have a bath. I think in winters you probably need to take bath like once in a week. This is a very interesting concept here in Mongolia, and right now I'm waiting for Edwin to come in, and because he knows where is the hotel. Yesterday Carolyn has reached that hotel and stayed. It seems like a nice cheap hotel, so we'll also be heading there. There's a petrol station in the front, so I think we will top up our tanks today, because the next stop is Bayan Khongor, and that's another, I think, 150 kilometers. think I can still do with whatever petrol to buy in Kangor, but yeah, no harm filling up. So I'll just wait for Edwin to come in and then we will go to the hotel. On this petrol station, some people have put their stickers. This is the hotel room for us for today. Here's my stuff, and yeah, so it's for 60,000 Tugrig Mannat, and well, there's pit toilet here, so there's no water in the toilet. Well, we have our tissue paper, so it's okay. And there's no bathroom. I mean, there's a wash basin where you can wash your face and all, but there's nothing to take bath. Well, yeah, that's what you get in a small town for 60,000 Tugrig Mannat, I guess. Okay, getting to eat some oily food after a long time.
So you normally take like a video when you eat?
No, it's for remembering the setup that we cooked inside the room. We never did.
No, we never did cook inside the room.